1. You have something to work towards. You gain a lot more purpose in life, and there's an actual reason on why you would want to get in bed, you would not want to hit snooze, and you would not want to sleep in. You have meaning. 2. You're probably a lot closer than you actually think. So many times, things that I wanted to happen came a lot sooner than I thought it would. 3. It's not always just about the end goal, but the person you have to become to get that goal. 4. Imagine how happy you would be when you finally get that success, when you finally reach that goal that you always strived for. 5. Every time I was in a rough point, I knew that I was close to success because the only way I can go was up. 6. Keep going and you will win. Giving up is the only guaranteed thing to fail. Just keep trying and you won't lose. 7. Quitting won't make it easier. It's just going to get harder and harder to get the life you want, and you already have so much momentum, so many things going for you. You might as well just keep on trying because you will win. 8. You've already came so far. Look at it long term. Even if you have a bad day, if you have a bad week, if you had a bad month, if you had a bad year, still look at it as an extremely long-term thing. Look at it in years. Years. 9. Challenges shape you. So think of a small challenge that you can do that can be fun, interesting, and get you to where you want to be. 11. You can also prove that you can achieve another thing. You'll believe in yourself way more, and you'll become more and more unstoppable and reach higher and higher goals, making all the other aspirations that you have a lot easier for you to obtain. 12. Let's be honest, even if you stop trying, you're going to regret it in the future. You're going to wish that, oh, I wish I could have done that. 13. If you are on edge, if you're uncomfortable, you're unsure, you're scared, that's amazing because that means you're growing. And that uncomfortable growth is what I feel like so many people don't get, but we all need. Think of how you can use those uncomfortable situations to your advantage and how you can learn from them. Keep thinking about this, and this video will always be here, so feel free to watch it again. Peace.